PocketJig200 by Milescraft. For strong joints in cabinets, shelves, bookcases, storage projects, and more, this kit does it all. Each kit comes with everything you need. Double-barreled quick adjust jig with hardened steel bushings, 3/8" high-speed steel step drill bit with stop collar, 2 T20 magnetic TORX drivers, the Milescraft connector for quick changes, and all the screws and plugs you need to start and finish your project. Built-in scales let you easily measure your board thickness, and the spring-loaded SLED adjust button sets the proper jig position on boards from 1/2 to 1.5 inch thickness. The rotating fence lets you work on new pocket hole projects or repair already joined boards. The recessed clamp pocket allows for secure placement, and strong rare earth magnets make repositioning a breeze. When you're ready to drill, use the built-in depth stop guide to attach the stop collar. The split collar design with flat prevents slipping and rolling, and quickly change from drilling to driving using the quick connector. This entire kit comes in a rugged storage case to keep your jig, bit, drivers, depth stops, quick connector, screws, and plugs in place. It also has built-in compartments to store a Milescraft 2-inch FaceClamp and the PocketJig200, which are sold separately. Whether working in IMPERIAL or metric units, quickly and easily make durable and reliable joints and move projects from the to-do list to the done list with the Milescraft PocketJig200 kit. Milescraft. Always the better idea.